Money Central here, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to discuss 26 things that I want to crochet in 2026. Obviously, it's the new year, you know. Obviously, I've been looking at Pinterest, just scrolling, and there are definitely some things that I did not make in 2025 that I definitely want to make in 2026. So I made a list on my phone, so that's what I will be looking at once I progress with the list. But anyway, there's some stuff I really want to start. I want to take my crocheting to the next level this year. This will be, because in February, this will be like, I'll be at least crocheting for 3 years now, because I started on February 2023. So it will be 3 years since I been officially crocheting. It will be very, very helpful if you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will appreciate it very, very, very much. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here's how the list is going to go down. Go with the wearables. There will be clothes and stuff like that, and accessories, so it will be hats or purses or something like that. And then last category is decor. So easy peasy, right? The first thing on my list of things I want to crochet is this sort of crochet dress over shirt thingy. Anyway, I want to wear this so bad, and this person styled it very, very well with the boots. I would wear black boots. That's just my opinion. I like this get up, and it's very on theme for, like, you know, Black History. That's coming up, so that will be so cute. So the next thing I want to crochet is like a big jacket type of cardigan. So this person has, like, you know, she made this granny square, but she kind of have it in a diamond shape, which is very, very cool. And this looks very, very cute, especially in those winter times. Obviously, it's cold out here right now. Probably later on I will wear it. I will crochet it as like a crop jacket or something. I like this get up, and she did it as a color scheme. I probably have a different color scheme like this, and very on theme with the purse and the hat and everything. So I might make the hat. I don't know. I'm still deciding on it. I have also another version of this right here, and she made them like actual rainbow type of squares with black squares. And this is the one I'm probably going to make. I want to make it this year. This is very cute. You can almost style anything with this jacket. The possibilities are definitely endless there. So the next thing I want to crochet in this year is this kind of cropped short sleeve jacket. It has the 49ers sign on it, but obviously mine's going to be different. I'm a Ravens fan. But anyway, I kind of want to make it. This can be football or basketball thing or whatever thing you want. But I do want to make this. This inspo is very, very cute. So the next thing I want to crochet are these ponchos. And these are so cute. And actually, I'm kind of making one right now. So this is officially my first whip of 2026. This will be like one of the first projects I will finish this year. So this was a poncho, like the one right here. So obviously I'm not finished yet. I kind of want it sort of cropped, but not too long, if that makes sense. I kind of want to make a black one as well, because obviously I need a black one. Yeah, I want to make these ponchos. I would love to make like a rainbow type one for Pride Month and stuff like that. So I have a lot of ideas, but I just need to finish this one and the black one first, because I kind of want those immediately. And they also have this type of version. I think this type is beaded, so I might think of making maybe one beaded poncho this year. This is very cute, and I will definitely wear it like during the summertime on vacation and stuff like that. So that is definitely the inspo for the summer. I will save that. So the next thing I want to crochet is this granny square sweater. I keep saying this all over the internet, and people are making them, like, obviously right now, because it's sweater season. So I would love to make one before the winter season's over with, or I can pick it up like during the fall season. No matter which way I will go, I still want to make this. This is so cute. I like the color scheme, and it fits with the jeans and the belt and everything like that. So you can style it whatever you like. I kind of want to make like one long one and a crop one. So the next thing I want to make is this cropped cardigan and skirt set. This is probably AI generated. AI is kind of different nowadays. I think somebody already done this already, to be honest with you. I still want to make it though. It might be like later on in the year. I'm kind of not in a rush for it right now. I do want to crochet. It's very cute and you can wear it in public. So I do like this set, to be honest with you. I do like it. So the next thing I do want to crochet are these crochet sleeves. So basically you take like a plain t-shirt and then you add the crochet sleeves into them. So this seems easy peasy. I do have a lot of shirts that I don't really wear like that anymore. I kind of want to enhance it a little bit, so maybe I can add a crochet sleeve or something and make it like pop, if that makes sense. I'd be tired of wearing the same shirts over and over and over again and not have something, you know, that pops, if you know what I mean. You know, it's time to enhance that wardrobe. And the next thing I do want to crochet this year are this type of t-shirts. So basically this person kind of cut the t-shirt and added like the granny stitches like on the side, sort of like wings, if that makes sense. I think that's cute, and if you guys want a tutorial on this, I will definitely do that for you guys, because I will definitely be making these, especially with summer coming up. Kind of like this color scheme, even though I don't like pink that much, but it's a good color scheme and it matches the shirt and everything, and you can style it whatever. So the next thing I want to crochet is this crop. It's sort of like the same thing I showed earlier, but in a different setting, because she's just showing the back and it's kind of shoulder length, because I kind of want something like that. It's very shoulder off but not too much, if that makes sense. And I like the color scheme right here. I do want to make that like either like in the spring or fall, somewhere like that. I'm not sure yet, but I like this style and I do want to make it. That's definitely on the list. So the next thing I want to crochet has been sort of trendy last year and I still want to make it, is this crochet jersey. And once I saw this, I like, oh, this is very, very cute. And this person made a tutorial. Her name is That's So J. She made a tutorial on this and she explains it very, very well. I will put her tutorial in the description below if you guys want to follow that. And it's very, very easy to do. But I do want to make this like maybe later in the year. It's still on the list. Like I do want to make it. I kind of want to make it right now, but I have other things that I want to make first. So this is definitely on the list. So the next thing I want to make this year is these pants or joggers, or whatever you call them. So basically these are crochet pants and joggers. This person added pockets and they look like actual, like, I wouldn't say sweatpants, but joggers, and it will be so cute. I definitely want to make like a actual pair of pants because I haven't made them yet. So the next thing I kind of want to make is sort of like this granny square type sweater. It's kind of sort of the same thing I showed earlier, but this is sort of the short sleeve version, and it's kind of oversized because I kind of like oversized hoodies and oversized things at times, and I like the blue, so that might be the color combination. I don't know yet. And she's wearing it well, and obviously she did a different color palette for the sleeves and all of that. That would be something I would definitely make, probably like late spring, early summertime. So it kind of depends. I might need to buy some cotton yarn if I'm gonna wear it in the summertime. That might be a different video. And last but definitely not least for the wearables part is this granny stitch cardigan. I kind of like how this person kind of styled it. Like obviously her hair kind of matches the color, so that's cute within itself. And I kind of like how she kind of stitched it. And this is basically like a granny stitch cardigan. Same thing, right? If that makes sense. But this is so cute. I do want to wear this, you know, and I kind of want to add my different color palette into it. And this will definitely be like a thing like for all year round, not just for like the fall winter season is all the wearables that I want to crochet in 2026. So the next category is accessories. So this can be a hat or a purse or whatever, something to, I guess, enhance it. So the first thing I want to crochet is this granny square cat beanie. I made a couple of cat beanies, which I love cat beanies, but I kind of want to take my hats to a different level this year. So I'm gonna keep making those cat beanies, but I want to make like different types, like granny squares or something like that. This will definitely be a start. It's kind of the same, but in granny squares, if that makes sense. It seems easy peasy to me, so it shouldn't be a problem, right? The next thing I want to crochet is this ruffle hat. So it's sort of like a this is sort of like a cat beanie ruffle hat, which is also easy to do. I think there's a tutorial out there somewhere, but it's definitely easy. This person put like a bow on the side, so this is giving like Hello Kitty vibes, and I kind of want to make something like this in the future. I'm just not sure when. This will definitely be out there. The next thing I want to make is this popcorn stitch purse. Like, look, this is definitely popcorn stitch related. This is so cute though, and it's definitely a different purse. It's out there. Like, I never crocheted a purse before. This is definitely will be the year that I will start experimenting, making like different purses like these. And they added like a flower on top of it, and it looks like there's a zipper inside of it, so I probably have to put like a lining in there. This is very cute, and I will be making one of these. So the next thing I also want to crochet is a like granny square type of bag. So this Granny Heart Harlan Quinn inspired bag right here is kind of what's making me want to crochet. So it had different elements here that added like maybe like a ruffles on the top and on the side of it. That would be cute. Maybe I won't be doing that. It kind of depends. And they also add ribbons, so this is very, very, very cute. So I will definitely be making one of these. Will enhance the wardrobe a little bit, if that makes sense. Is of course the mini bag. This is sort of the same thing as the last picture, but this is shorter obviously. And they also put like a ruffle on the end. Maybe I won't be doing that often because I kind of like ruffles, but I kind of don't at the same time. I definitely had to find a balance between the two. This will definitely be like a going out type of bag, and it will definitely be in a different type of color pattern because I don't like pink as much. That's just me. So the next thing I want to crochet are these scrunchies. I've been seeing them everywhere, and I do want one, but I keep forgetting that you need to buy scrunchies to actually execute this. I need to go and buy some scrunchies and start doing these. It seemed like one of those 30-minute to an hour type projects, and I do want some scrunchies, so I would definitely will be making these in the future. So the next thing are these hair bows. Obviously hair bows has been big, and I do want to make some because the way I have my hair right now, I kind of want to wear a bow like this, if that makes sense. Or, you know, what they normally do, put your hair back and put it in the back. Kind of want to play with my hair a little bit more instead of just certain styles that I know. I feel like these hair bows will definitely do. And last but definitely not least on the accessory parts are these thigh-high socks. It's like, you know what, these are so cute. They did like a different pattern on them. Maybe I will wear these like maybe around the house, or maybe I will wear them in a boot setting or something. I'm not really sure yet. I probably won't be making these like ASAP. I would love to have these in the future, and maybe I will style them with a boot or something like that in the future, and that will definitely be like something cute, if that makes sense. So the last category of this video is decor, something I can decorate with. So the first thing in decor is these record coasters. These are definitely easy to do. I love music. Obviously vinyls are back, and these are so cute. I kind of really don't have like music stuff to like decorate with, and I have this sitting there for almost like a year or two now, and I do want to switch these over because obviously the holidays are over with. I kind of not gonna use them as coasters. I will probably use them as to hang stuff. I do want to make these, so I think there's a tutorial somewhere. So the next thing I do want to crochet is this flower coaster. Obviously there's a bigger version of it because I do want to start small, and they made these in smaller increments, which is cute. I want to start with the flower coaster first. I think it's easy and there's some tutorials out there. Here's my tip for certain things. If you want to start on a big project, you might as well start small to see if you can actually do it, because obviously the bigger picture, you need bigger stuff and more yarn and more time. If you're up to the challenge, you want to start small. So the next things I want to crochet, obviously after the flower coaster, are these bouquet blankets. This is also trending like last year. I think someone I know wants one of these, and I haven't got the chance to make them yet. I feel like once I finish like the flower coaster, then I will graduate on this, because obviously this is a lot of yarn and a lot of work, and I don't envy the people who actually make these and sell these. It's gonna cost a lot of money. If I'm gonna make one of these, it will probably be a project that I will be doing in the year or so. And the last but definitely not least, I should have put this in the accessories, but I just thought of it right now. I do want to make these like mesh bags. Shopping with certain things are trending. I want to make these mesh type of bags. Obviously it's in a mesh stitch. I can go certain places and, you know, show them off, if that makes sense. You can style them anywhere. You can make like a flower or a heart. You can do anything with a mesh bag. Maybe I will make one like before my birthday coming up. It's a lot of ideas up here. So these are the mesh bags I do want to make, and I think that's be the last item I want to make in 2026. All right, so that's it on this video of 26 things I want to make in 2026. Please answer the comment below. What is the thing that you want to make in 2026? It can be one thing, it can be a couple things, I don't know. It can be anything. Just please leave a comment down below. I will very appreciate it. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want more videos from me in the future, please subscribe, like the video, turn the bell so you'll be notified, and follow me on my social medias, because I will also be consistent on those as well. I'm out of here, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.